Students, let's discuss the different ways to express the concentration of solution. As we know, a solution contain solute and solvent. Okay, students? And if we want to express the mass percentage or calculate the mass percentage of solute or solvent, then how can we calculate? Mass percentage of solute can be calculated by using this formula, mass of solute upon mass of solution into 100. Let's understand with the help of an example. एक solution है जो prepare किया गया है by dissolving 2 gram of substance in 18 gram of water. It means solute is equal to 2 gram, okay, and solvent is equal to 18 gram. How much solution is there? Solution is 18 plus 2. It means 20 gram. Okay, students, 20 gram solution is there. And if we keep the values in this formula, then what is the percentage of solute? Percentage of solute, how can we calculate? Amount of solute, that is 2 gram, upon amount of solution, that is 20 into 100, and the value will be 10%. And if we keep the value of solvent, that is 18 gram upon 20 into 100, here we will get the concentration of solvent, that is 90%. It means 90% solvent is present and 10% solute is present. This is the way to calculate the mass percentage. The next one is mole fraction. Mole fraction is another way in which we calculate the concentration. This is a fraction of moles, as clear from its name, mole fraction. What is it? It is the ratio of component of solution. Here if the solution has two component, 1 and 2, and their moles is N1 and 2, then what is the mole fraction of solute? If this is the solute, means N2 is the moles of solute, then mole fraction of solute is N2 upon total moles, means N1 plus N2. If we want to calculate the mole fraction of solvent, then how can we calculate? By dividing the moles of solvent, that is N1 upon total moles, that is N1 plus N2. This is expressed by x1 and x2, and this is an fraction. And if we calculate the sum of fractions, then it will be equal to 1. It means total fraction is equal to the sum of mole fraction is equal to 1. Okay, students. Now, how can we express the concentration in other ways? One is molarity and other is molality. Let's discuss molarity. Molarity. What is molarity? Molarity is denoted by capital M. It is represented by capital M, and it is the moles of solute. This is a mole of solute divided by volume of solution in liter. Okay, students, it means what is molarity? Molarity is defined as number of moles of solute in 1 liter of solution. Okay, 1 liter, it means we always keep the volume in liter. And how can we calculate the number of moles? Given mass upon molar mass, and when we substitute it here, then what will become its formula? Small m upon capital W into V. Here m is equal to mass of solute, W is equal to molecular mass of solute into volume of solution. Okay, students, let's do a numerical. 1 m. What is the value of, first we will discuss here. If we have given 1 m NaOH solution, what will its meaning? Its meaning is 1 mole NaOH. 1 mole NaOH is dissolved in 1 liter solution. Okay, if we are taking 0.2 m, then it means 0.2 mole NaOH dissolve in 1 liter solution. In this way, if the molarity is given, if it is given 3m, what does it means? It means 3 mole dissolve in 1 liter solution. Let's one numerical. Numerical, if we have 40 gram. Okay students, if we have 40 gram NaOH in 2 liter solution, what is the molarity? First we will calculate the molar mass of NaOH. This is the given mass. To calculate the moles, we need to calculate its molar mass. 23 plus 16 plus 1, and we will add, then it will 40 gram. Now we will calculate the number of moles of NaOH. That will be 40 by 40. It means 1 mole. 1 mole is given. Okay, it means in this numerical 1 mole NaOH is present 2 liter solution. Then what will be its molarity? 1 by 2.5 m. In this way we can calculate the numerical, the value of molarity. The next is molality. What is molality? Molality is number of solute. Moles means same, but in molarity we have taken the volume of solution, and here we will take the mass of solvent. We will take only solvent in kg. Mass of solvent in kg. It is represented by small m. We will do a numerical here. If 7.45 gram of KCl is dissolved in 100 gram of water, calculate molality. It means small m is question mark. First we will calculate the molar mass of KCl. This will 74.5. Okay students, now number of moles 7.45 upon 74.5, 0.1 mole. 0.1 mole is present. Small n is 0.1 mole. And what is the molarity? Molarity is number of moles divided by mass of solvent in kg. Here the mass is 100 gram, and if we would divide is 1000 to convert it into kg, it will be 0.1 kg. 0.1 mole upon 0.1 kg, and it will become, what will it become? It become 1 m. Okay students, in this way we will calculate the molality of solution. Which one is better, molarity or molality? Molality. Here molality is better. Why? Because in molality we have taken the mass which does not change with temperature, while in molarity we have taken the volume of solution which changes on heating. So molality is better than molality to express the concentration of solution. Okay, thank you students.